And welcome to my kitchen. I'm Akshita and you are watching Akshita's Recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick, yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious. We're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe. So friends, let's get started. Now, on day 1, I've taken about 2 large raw mangoes or kairis, washed them, pat them dry, and then cut them up into small pieces like this. Now, I'm using a big bowl and I've kept a colander on top. Now, you'll see the color of the kairi peel. It'll be a light darker green. Now I'm just using some rock salt. You can use regular salt too. So I'm using about 3 tablespoons of this rock salt, and I am going to apply it to the kairi or the raw mango, and I'm going to just mix it up well so that all of the pieces of the raw mangoes get coated with this salt. Now the next thing is I'm going to put a plate which fits perfectly, and then I'm going to put some kind of a heavy weight. Now we have to keep this for at least 3 days, but every day, at least twice a day, you need to just take off the lid and just ruffle up the mango pieces or just mix them up well again. That's very important. You can do it once a day or twice a day. Just mix them up roughly with your hands. And you will see on that there is some water that collects below the colander. Now on this day also you will find that the color of the peel of the mango has not changed much. It is still a darker green color. So give it a good mix twice a day. Put your weight on back and you can see that there is some water already collected. We are going to use this water. Now we have to keep this for another day. So altogether I've kept it for 3 days exactly. Now on date 3, you will see a lot of change in the color of the peel of the mango. It has become a very light green color. The mango pieces have become nice and soft. So now we are ready to make our mango pickle or our miskut, which is such a delicious pickle. Now we're going to transfer this into a large bowl, and this is the reserve water. Now I'm going to put the reserve water on a very low flame and I'm going to bring it to a very light boil. Now in another pan, I'm going to heat about 1 cup of tea oil or sesame oil. You can use regular oil that you use for cooking too. Now we're going to heat it on a low to medium flame, but we're going to bring it to a smoky temperature. That is, your oil has to actually start smoking like this. You will actually see smoke coming out of your oil. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, and 1/4 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon, and we're going to put the flame off completely. Now here I have about just about 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds. I'm just going to roughly roast it, and this is the ready-made split mustard powder that you get for pickles. So you get this available in the market, or if you don't have it, just use mustard seeds, roast them and coarsely grind them. This is some red chili powder and there's some turmeric or haldi powder. So now my methi seeds are nice and roasted. I'm going to transfer them to my mortar and pestle and I'm going to grind them to a very fine powder. So like I said, if you don't have the mustard powder, just use regular mustard seeds, coarsely, roast them and then grind them to a fine powder. Now I'm going to add all my ingredients to my kairi, which is my haldi powder. I'm going to give you the exact measurements in my description box below. Next goes in my red chili powder. So this you can add as per taste or as per the measurement I give you. Then we're going to add our mustard powder. This mustard powder is available very easily. And then the methi powder. Just tell your grocery person that I want mustard powder for making pickles. And then we're going to give all of this a very, very good mix. Now I've transferred it to a clean, dry glass bottle, and I'm going to pour my cooled down oil, to which I've added some asafoetida or hing, and I'm going to give everything a good mix. Now remember, your bottle should be clean and dried, even sun-dried if possible, and your spoon should always be completely dry. Never use any kind of wet spoon. Now I'm adding the reserve water, and we're going to keep this bottle in a nice dark cool place for at least a week. You'll have to have patience with this, and we are going to keep it for a week. And every day you can just take a dry spoon and just mix it up. Just do it once a day. And then after 7 days, your pickle will be all ready to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed watching today's recipe. I hope you're going to give today's recipe a try. Share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshata's recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video, bye.